Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ClickFunnels review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called ClickFunnels. So this is a ClickFunnels review, and right now we are on the sales page here, and then we have the pricing section. So we'll come back to the prices later on. By now I'm sure if you are doing research about ClickFunnels, then you must have seen the prices, and probably you are in a dilemma that okay, should you go and invest that kind of money every month? Okay, because the bare minimum you will be investing in this program will be $97 per month. Okay, that is a lot of money if you're a newbie, but if you're making millions, then well, who cares, right? So if you're making millions, then probably you can go and buy this, but you may have to watch this video till the end if you're a newbie, because then I might be, or I will be able to save so much money for you. Okay, so as a newbie, I never recommend buying unnecessary tools. Okay, so no matter what you're planning to do, you are an affiliate marketer or freelancer or self-employed, whatever you're doing in your online business, you need to cut down on your business cost, recurring costs. Okay, so right now we are on sales page at ClickFunnels. Now before we get into the detail, make sure you go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, leave your questions and comments if you have any. Okay, so this channel is all about saving your money. Okay, so hit the subscribe button so that you can get our videos frequently. All right, and coming back on the main sales page, it says quickly create beautiful sales funnels that convert your visitors into leads and then customers without having to hire or rely on a tech team. Okay, and they give you 2 weeks of trial, right? So you can go and link your credit card, and then you can use ClickFunnels for 2 weeks, right? And there's no doubt that it works. Okay, it's a very fantastic tool. It's a very remarkable tool. It's a #1 tool rather. Okay, so I guess it's a #1 tool when it comes to creating or building funnels on the internet for internet marketers. Okay, however, again you need to ask this question, that do you really have to spend $97 on a funnel builder? It all depends what are your usage. Okay, if you are so advanced marketer that you can't live without ClickFunnels, then you have to go and buy this. Okay, if you are making millions, then it's not a big deal. It's only $97 per month if you are making more than that. Okay, but yes, let's say you're only making $500 a month, $1,000 a month, maybe $2,000 a month, then I would say avoid buying this, because you are not at that level right now where you have to go and invest into ClickFunnels. Okay, and also right now this website is not showing the SSL security socket layer. You will not be able to see it because I have recorded my screen from the bottom. So normally you need to have the this green screen lock, okay, at the top left. Right now on ClickFunnels here, if I go where I go, here you go. So you can't see anyway. I think when I started recording the screen, I forgot to cover that part. Okay, anyways, what I was trying to say is right now this clickfunnels.com does not have SSL on the top left side of the URL. Okay, so it does not show it's secure, right? I don't know why. They are million or billion dollar company and I'm not sure why they're not secure. Okay, so they need to fix it. And let's talk about the technical part. The company has been running since 2013. You can see here October 2013, I guess, or maybe yeah, it's October, right? So since October 2013 they had been operational, and that means in this, or maybe rather this year they will be like 9 years old in October. Okay, so they are going nowhere. And Russell Branson is, I think he's running ClickFunnels. Okay, so they are up and running live. The only reason I have made this video, because I wanted you to take a look at the pricing only. Okay, there's no doubt that the software is good or bad. It's remarkable. Okay, it's fantastic. The rest you can see on the sales page. Okay, this video is a review video. This video is not technical demonstration, so I will not log into the software and show you how to create funnel stuff like that. No, you can do all that technical part on your own, or you can go and watch some other tutorial videos. Okay, this is a review video, and if you want to learn how to operate and use ClickFunnels, then you have to go and watch some tutorial videos. Okay, In this video, let's talk about the pricing, or maybe you can see here all these features on the sales page. So literally, I don't have to talk about anything on the sales page. This product is awesome. The only conflict I have is with the pricing, okay? Because I know a lot of other tools in the market who will cost you, like 4 times less than ClickFunnels, and they will do the same, they will do the same job. And actually, I will, tell you about one tool in this video as well, okay? So make sure you watch it till the end and do subscribe and like. So let's talk about the pricing here. In $97 per month, what all you're gonna get, right? So share funnels, 20 funnels you can create, that's less, okay? If you are, let's say, planning to go on a bigger level, then you have to go and buy their $297 package. Otherwise, you will not get unlimited funnels, okay? It's too costly. Okay, it's too costly no matter what you say, right? No matter how awesome is this, but it is very, very costly, and I don't recommend this to any newbies, okay? If you are only starting your online career and you have not made any money online, or you have made only like few $100s only, still don't get into ClickFunnels, okay? Because a lot of other gurus who are gonna teach you. So let's say you have some mentor, okay? You have some mentor, or you are you're learning online marketing from somebody else who is your guru, okay? Those people will easily say go and sign up for ClickFunnels, okay? They're saying go and sign up for ClickFunnels because you will be signing under their affiliate link, so they will get the commission if they make you buy ClickFunnels, okay? So don't do that mistake, right? You don't need to buy something which you don't need in your life, right? So 97 per month is a bad deal, okay? Especially if you're a newbie, okay? I'm focusing again and again for newbies or for intermediate marketeers, okay? If you are not making millions, don't sign up for ClickFunnels. $97 per month is too much. No matter how good the software is, it is not for newbies. It is only for experienced marketeers who are making money with this, okay? If you're making $10,000 per month with this, I have no problem. You can go and sign up, okay? But if you're only making $1,000, $500, maybe nothing, then don't buy, okay? So I guess what else you do, okay? If you really need some funnels, then how would you go and create those capture pages and everything, right? Also, one more thing, people will tell you that you go and sign up for autoresponders like GetResponse, Aweber. Again, guys, do not pay those do not pay to those autoresponders, because GetResponse allows you, I think, up to 500 contacts, and then you can upgrade if you want to. But I will make YouTube video in the future about some autoresponders who are going to give you unlimited subscribers in only one-time monthly cost, okay? So for example, if you compare this GetResponse, they will charge you like $15 for 1,000 contacts every month. But I know few autoresponders, and I will make a video on that. They will give you, you will have to pay them monthly, but they do not have any restriction on how many contacts. You can have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and still you will be paying the same amount, like 20 bucks every month, okay? So watch out for those videos in the future, right? So I think ClickFunnels is thumbs down when it comes to pricing. And if you're a newbie, okay? If you're a newbie or intermediate marketeer, don't buy ClickFunnels, okay? The ClickFunnels as a software is awesome, brilliant, okay? There's no question on the quality of the product. The only question I have is on the pricing, okay? So as a newbie, it's not for you. And if I want to suggest you something, maybe I can. You can go and try this funnel here, which is called, I guess, this is Funnel Builder Academy, okay? So this is a product which I am using for now, okay? Even though I don't have to create funnels, I'm a very simple person, okay? I primarily make YouTube videos and I don't do fancy things, okay? You will see a simple thumbnail on my video and me just talking, okay? So there's no technical drama I do here. I simply make money just by uploading videos, okay? And I'll talk about that too, I guess. Anyway, so if you want an alternate solution to ClickFunnels, you can try the software called Funnel Builder Academy, okay? I will leave the link below, right? And I'll show you how you can get there. So let me show you what kind of funnels you can make with this. If I come here into the funnel section and I'll click on add a new setup, okay? I'm gonna show you some sample pages, right? So these are the lead capture pages, right? These are some sample pages you can see here. These are all up to date according to your industry, okay? And these were the lead capture pages, right? And you can see some thank you pages, okay? These are some thank you pages, terms and privacy pages, about us, links pages, book giveaway. Let me see. So these are book giveaway pages, okay, and webinar and event pages. So you can see you're getting bunch of opt-in pages or landing pages, whatever you want to call them, right? So you're getting everything, and it looks that yes, this software belongs to 2022, right? And you have order checkout pages here. Again, you can see, and you have local business pages. This looks cool, right? So if you're a local business, you can use this funnel builder to create your local website as well, membership website as well. I did not know about this. So you can create some membership website as well, and all these pages can be integrated with your payment gateway and with your PayPal account, okay? Coming soon pages, here you go, coming soon pages, and then we have all in one this business page, okay? So you get all this, right? And this is only, you know, the sample I'm showing you. And if you come here where you will have all the training, okay, you see here funnel builder setup. So you have to watch all these, you know, videos, okay, and you can set up your funnel on your own domain, okay? So it's not like you have to use their subdomain only. You can transfer all the funnels to your primary domain, and you have all the training here. And this is the proper training and FAQs, like creating your funnel pages, and all these are videos, okay? So you have all the video training here, as you can see, and too many videos to go through, you can see. So it's a proper funnel builder software, right? And if you ask me how much does it cost, well, it will only cost you $25 per month, okay? Now compare this tool. This is called Funnel Builder Academy. This tool will cost you only $25 per month, and you can get all kinds of those pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, and you can promote any offer you like. One good thing with this product is that you can promote this Funnel Builder Academy itself, okay? So if you go and promote this Funnel Builder Academy to other people, you will be getting 80% commission, okay? So for example, if somebody else will buy from you, they'll pay $25, and out of those $25, you will be getting $20, which will be 80% commission, okay? So that's how this cool business, this, what is the name? This Home Business Academy thing is gonna help you to make your sales funnel, attractive sales funnel, in the cheapest price possible, 25 bucks every month, okay? And also if you go and promote their funnel to somebody else, you will be making 80% commission, 20 bucks every day, and that is every month, okay? Don't forget, it's every month, right? Now imagine if you go and try to sell ClickFunnels to somebody else, right? So if you have to sell ClickFunnels, you know, you will be asking people to pay $97 every month, right? Whereas if you give them the same similar features in only $25 per month, what do you think? Which person will easily buy? The person who is gonna pay 25 or the person who's gonna pay 97? Think about it, right? So I think people will easily buy the cheaper option, and that means you can have more sales in less time, or in less efforts rather, okay? So I think this is it, and I will leave the link below my video here. So if you come here, maybe I can show you how to get to this Funnel Academy, right? So you will not find the link for ClickFunnels because I am not promoting it, right? But still you will find this this link here which says make 120 recurring commission every month here, okay? And the links might be here and there, okay? So this link might be at the top when you're watching the video, right? So when you click on this link where it says make 120 recurring commission every month, now why is it showing 120 here? Because if I come here, you can see this section called HBA Premium Traffic Conversions, okay? This is also their affiliate program, okay? If you are going to sell this to somebody, you will be getting $100 from one sale, okay? That is why 20 plus 100, that becomes 120. So you will know all that when you click on this link, okay? So your job is to click on this link here, and then you will be taken to this page. On this page, you have to put in your name and the email address. Then you will be getting a free ebook, okay? Click on claim your free ebook. After that, you will have to go into your inbox, into your email address. Click on the inbox, verify your email. Once you verify the email, you will be taken on this page, which looks like this. I'll show you. So you will be taken on this page once you verify your email. Here you can claim your ebook. You can just click on here, and this will be your ebook, which you can download and you can read later on, okay? And mainly what you need to click on is at the bottom here. So here you need to click on this link, and you will be taken to this page, and now you can go ahead and read everything. I have to pause the video, maybe, probably. Let's see if it's gonna make a sound, I guess. I'm gonna pause it, right? So now you can go and read everything about this funnel builder. Come on. Right, sorry about that. So yes, now you can read everything here, and then if you want to buy this funnel builder, it's gonna cost you 25 bucks only. And then if you really want to try that offer, which is gonna give you $100 commission, then you just go ahead, click on this box, and they will give you 2 weeks of trial for free, okay? But the minimum is 25 bucks only, and you can get access to the amazing funnel pages, okay? And it is an alternate solution to ClickFunnels. If you're a newbie, don't buy ClickFunnels because you will have a hard time in paying $97 per month, okay? If you want the cheaper solution, and that is also a quality solution, okay? You can try this funnel builder, and I will leave the links below this video, okay? Not below this video. Click on this link where it says make 120 commission. Come on this page, enter your details, go into your inbox, verify the email, then you will come on this page here, and which will look like this, I guess. And then from there you just click on the link at the bottom, and that is how this is your ebook as well, okay? So if you want, you can read this ebook as well, okay? It will talk about how to make money online, right? Anyways, I hope you understand everything, how to get onto this page, okay? You have to start from here. ClickFunnels is a good software, but you only need to get it if you can afford it. And if you cannot afford it, then there are better solutions in the market, and you can try this Funnels Academy, and you will find all the links. And for people who want to make money on YouTube, just like me, for you guys, you will find this link here. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? You can click on this make money with Traffic Jarvis link here, and here you will have everything you need to know about YouTube and email marketing. So if you're interested in email marketing, check out this video. If you're interested in this YouTube, if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized and you want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks, then you can check out this video. Go ahead, click on these things, and then you can see here, this is the money I have made so far, okay? So go and check out everything, go and check out all these links, anything which you're interested into, and then leave your name and the email address, and go and check everything in the inbox. And I guess so far that's all I have to talk about. So ClickFunnels, it's a fantastic software. It's always a thumbs up when it comes to the quality, but pricing is too much, okay? It's not newbie friendly, and it is not budget friendly, okay? So in that case, I would say if you really want to get some funnel builder, you can check out the funnel builder which I have shown you, and they do have an amazing affiliate program. They give you 80% commission. So if you sell this to somebody else, you will make money reoccurring every month, okay? So that will be all for this video, and go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, leave your questions and comments if you have any, and I'll see you shortly in some other video.